These 5 foods burn fat like Ozempic. If belly fat is still there, even after dieting, fasting, or cutting portions, stop blaming willpower. Your body was never the problem. Here's the real issue no one tells you. Some foods you think are healthy are quietly blocking your fat-burning switch. And once that switch stays off, fat doesn't move, no matter how hard you try. Your body already has tens of thousands of calories stored as fat. Energy is not the problem. Your fat-burning signals are broken. Weight loss injections like Ozempic don't melt fat by magic. They work by changing hunger and insulin signals in the body. Today, I'll show you 5 real foods that activate the same fat-burning pathway naturally. No starving, no extreme diets. And the last one is where most people mess everything up. The real problem blocking. Fat loss. Most people think belly fat comes from eating too much. That's not true. Belly fat stays when insulin stays high and hunger keeps coming back. That's why 2 people can eat similar meals and get totally different results. And only one loses belly fat. When insulin stays elevated, your body stays in storage mode. Fat becomes locked. These foods fix that by sending the opposite signal. If this explanation finally makes sense to you, tap like so more people hear it too. Food number 1. Healthy fats that turn fat. Burning on. Fat doesn't make you fat. Constant insulin does. Natural fats lower insulin, control hunger, and reduce inflammation. One of the biggest hidden drivers of belly fat after 40. When insulin stays low, your body finally pulls energy from stored belly fat. Best options for a US lifestyle: avocado, olive oil, whole eggs, grass-fed butter in small amounts, almonds, walnuts, and natural peanut butter. Avoid processed fats like chips, fried foods, and vegetable oils. Those do the opposite and lock fat in. Food number 2. Protein. That protects your metabolism. Protein does more than fill you up. It protects muscle. After 40, muscle loss speeds up, and when muscle drops, metabolism slows fast. Good options include eggs, chicken breast, turkey, salmon, tuna, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and clean whey protein. Protein also raises glucagon, a hormone that tells your body to release stored fat, including deep belly fat. Bone broth is a bonus because it supports joints, skin, and electrolytes. And here's where many people slip up. This one mistake quietly stops fat loss. Food number 3. Fiber. That quietly controls hunger. Fiber isn't about digestion. Fiber controls insulin. When fiber slows sugar entry into the bloodstream, insulin rises slowly. Hunger stays down. Fat burning stays active. Great choices include leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, beans, lentils, chia seeds, flaxseed, oats, and berries. 1 tablespoon of chia in water before lunch can reduce cravings for hours. Research in the Journal of Nutrition shows high fiber diets improve fullness and fat loss without counting calories. Important: this is where fat loss hides from most people. Even people eating clean unknowingly block fat loss here. Food number 4. Fruits that don't spike blood. Sugar. Fruit can help or hurt fat loss. Many fruits spike blood sugar fast, especially when eaten alone. Better choices include blueberries, strawberries, apples, pears, oranges, and kiwi. Berries stand out because their antioxidants reduce inflammation and protect metabolism. Always eat whole fruit, never juice. Juice removes fiber and floods your system with sugar. Food number 5. Nuts. Used the right way. Snacking causes belly fat, except when done correctly. Nuts combine fiber, protein, magnesium, and slow fats that stabilize insulin and stop cravings. Stick to almonds, walnuts, pistachios, or peanuts, unsalted. 5 to 7 nuts is enough. More is not better. Why these foods work like Ozempic. These foods naturally increase GLP-1, the same hormone weight loss injections target. GLP-1 lowers hunger, improves insulin control, reduces inflammation, and shifts your body toward burning stored fat. Here's the truth most people never realize until nothing works. Fat loss doesn't start with eating less. It starts the moment your body knows it's safe to burn fat. Eat protein and fat first. Carbs last. Eat when hungry, not by the clock. When signals change, fat follows. Your body already has enough fuel. It just needs the right message to use it. If this helped you, watch the next video on this channel. It explains the morning habit that silently blocks belly fat loss. It connects directly with what you learned today and makes these foods work even better.